A 23-year-old man from Murang'A County is in the police custody after he was caught on camera tossing his 4-month-old baby across the family's living room before the kid died. Welcome back in Africana News. A 23-year-old man from Murang'A County is in the police custody after he was caught on camera tossing his 4-month-old baby across the family's living room before the kid died. Detectives based in Katanga area of Murang'A County arrested the young father for allegedly killing the baby during a domestic fight with his wife. According to a police report on Tuesday, January 25th, incident was reported by the suspect's father after he was informed by his daughter-in-law what had transpired. Cctv footage of the scene showed the suspect beating his wife with what looked like a bat before picking their son lying next to her and tossing him against the wall. The police stated that during the fight, the suspect grabbed the infant and tossed. The infant died on the spot after landing on the concrete floor. According to the police report, the suspect threatened his wife not to raise alarm over the death of the infant. Further, the police revealed that the couple was engaged in a physical fight after the man claimed that the child was not his biological son. The police report further indicated that the suspect's wife fled the house, raising an alarm that prompted the neighbors to respond to their distress. The body of the 4-month-old baby was moved to General Kago Hospital mortuary in Thika. The incident came just a day after the BBC aired the expose on the rising cases of gender-based violence since the onset of COVID-19 pandemic early 2020. The program indicated that children were the biggest. BBC reporter Tom Obura investigated the incidents and exposed how victims were being held back from speaking until it was too late. Police were also accused of laxity in probing and prosecuting suspects. The judiciary were also put on the spot for being slow in concluding such cases. This is Africana Pictures. For you to get our daily news, get us in Facebook and Instagram as Africana Pictures. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can be getting our daily news. My name is Kadan. Let's meet in the next one.